CBSE Class 10 Math video solution to the sample paper given by the CBSE board for the board examination to be conducted in 2021. This is a basic version of the paper. We are looking at the first 2-mark question, question 21. This question has got an internal choice. So, we will have 21A and 21B. Both parts appeared from the chapter Co-ordinate Geometry. Let us get started. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining points 4, minus 3 and 8, 5 internally in the ratio 3:1, right? Going to be applying the section formula. What's the section formula? If you have 2 points A and B whose coordinates are 4, minus 3 and 8, 5 and a point C lies on this line segment, and let's say the coordinates of points here X and Y, divides it right now in the ratio 3:1. Section formula, let's write the generalized version. Let's say the coordinates of A are X1 and Y1, and the coordinates of B are X2 and Y2. Let's say point C divides it in the ratio m:n. Then the coordinates of point C will be equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. This is the x coordinate of point C and this is the y coordinate of point C, right? For us, x1, y1 are 4 and minus 3, x2, y2 are 8 and 5, m and n are 3:1. Just plug in all of these values. So, we will get m is equal to 3, 3 into x2 which is equal to an 8, 3 times 8 plus n is equal to 1, 1 times x1 which is equal to a 4. So, 3 into 8 plus 1 into 4 divided by m plus n which is equal to 3 plus 1, 3 into 8 plus 1 into 4. my2 which is 3 into 5, comma, plus ny1 which is 1 into minus 3 divided by a 3 plus 1 is the answer, right? Solve this and we have the answer. 3 times 8 is a 24 plus 4, 28 divided by 4 is the x coordinate. X coordinate of C is equal to 28 divided by 4. Let's go back and compute the y coordinate. This is 15 minus 3, 12 divided by 4 is what we have. 28 divided by 4 and 12 divided by 4. So, coordinates of point C are 7, 3, right? The coordinates of the point that will divide this line segment in the ratio 3:1 internally is 7, 3, right? Complete these steps, get 2 marks. Let's look at part 2 of this question. Find a relation between x and y such that the point x, y is equidistant from the points 7, 1 and 3, 5. So, let's again take a look at it, right? This is what we have. Let's say the coordinates of point A, that is, let that be point A, let its coordinates be x and y. It is equidistant from these 2 points B 7, 1 and C 3, 5, right? For example, let's say this is point B, this is point C, A is here, A is equidistant from these 2 points, which means the distance AB will be equal to the distance AC. If you know the coordinates of 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2, then the length of the line segment joining these 2 points, the distance formula is essentially equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So, this is x, y and coordinates of point B are 7, 1. So, we will take this as x2, y2 and this point as x1, y1. We will compute the value of AB. Similarly, we know C coordinates are 3, 5. Let's take coordinates of C as x2, y2 and the coordinates of A as x1, y1 and compute AC, equate the two and then find out the relation. So, AB for us will be equal to, this is x2, y2, x1, y1, similarly x2, y2 and x1, y1. 7 minus x the whole square plus y2 minus y1 is 1 minus y the whole square. So, this is AB. AC is equal to square root of 3 minus x the whole square plus 5 minus y the whole square. Because A is equidistant from these 2 points, AB will be equal to AC. So, we can equate these two. If AB is equal to AC, then AB square will be equal to AC square. Let's equate AB square to AC square. AB square is equal to AC square. What is AB square? AB square is 7 minus x the whole square plus 1 minus y the whole square is equal to AC square, which is 3 minus x the whole square plus 5 minus y the whole square. Expand all 4 terms on either side of the equation and then we will arrive at the relation between x and y. So, this is the form A minus B the whole square, which is A square minus 2AB plus B square. So, in this case it is going to be 49 minus 14x plus an x square. Correspondingly, the second term will be 1 minus 2y plus a y square. This is equal to, the third term is 9 minus 6x plus an x square and the fourth term is 25 minus 10y plus a y square. Take the x square to the left hand side, x square gets cancelled with x square. Take the y square to the left hand side, y square will get cancelled with y square. Now 49 plus 1, adding the constants will leave us with 50 minus 14x minus a 2y. This is equal to 9 plus 25 is a 34 minus 6x minus 10y. We'll take this 34 first to the left hand side. So 50 minus 34 is a 16. Let's take the minus 14x to the right hand side. That will leave us with a plus 8x. Minus 2y, take the minus 10y to the left hand side. You're going to get an 8y. 16 plus 8y equals 8x is the relation between x and y. All of these numbers are divisible by 8. So let's do that. So we'll get 2 plus y is equal to x, right? So there's a relation between x and y. So both parts are easy conceptually. The first one is easy to compute than the second one because quite a bit of work to be done. You might have missed out something here or there and might have got an answer which is incorrect. So I would choose 21A over 21B. Before you leave, I want you to do two things. One, sign up at online.maxtute.com to get started with CBSE Class 10 Math online tuitions. It takes all of 5 minutes and less than 3 steps to get started. And second thing, I want you to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so that you get notified every time a new video is uploaded. Spread the word about this channel to your friends and classmates.